Hi everyone, Darko here. It's Sunday afternoon here in Sweden. Beautiful weather, so the sun is shining. It's a bit chilly. I had a fantastic weekend. I had some gathering with some friends yesterday, and I will be meeting up with my kids later on today to have some dinner. Before I do, I just want to recap last week. Since October, the market hasn't been dealing within our game plan. So the entire previous week, last week, was basically no trades from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and on Friday I had one losing trade, scalping. It was a reduced loss, minus 8 pips. There was another pending order that I was watching, and when price came down toward my entry level, price reacted from a left neckline and then bounced up without getting me filled, so I just canceled that trade, and I was happy that I followed my rule and canceled my trade, because that trade didn't work out either. So regardless of the outcome, you have to have a solid game plan, and this is a big issue now when the market actually is not dealing within our game plan, because either price slightly hit that a level of support and resistance, and that's just like bounce up without giving a pattern, and there's like no way to enter that trade without having like a written down game plan. Just more like gambling if you so do, unless you have a rule for when to enter a trade without a confirmation, which we also do from time to time. So and I was thinking, like, I've been doing this for 14 years, and it doesn't matter if you've been doing this for 14 years or for 40 years or for 5 years or 2 months. Your mind start playing games with you when actually things are not going well, and you have to be professional enough to recognize those feelings and not freak out and just, oh geez, two scalping, two losing trade, or the market is not offering me any trades, and it doesn't help. The market couldn't care less if you freak out, if you lose your temper or getting emotion or anything, because the market gives you what the market gives you. And after so many years doing this, I finally realized, like, why is it only 5% of traders in the entire world that is actually capable of doing this properly? 95% will never make it, and the reason for it is endless. I've been doing so many podcast episodes and vlogging and videos that are just like why this is happening. Like, why is it like there's no other profession out there that's like have a 5% chance that you actually can make it? Like, never seen it. There's nothing out there like trading. So and this is the important, like, I would say I wouldn't be surprised like if people like losing their accounts basically once a month, or being down like 20% a week, because they think that there's something wrong with their system, with their trading, with the market, whatever that might be, and they try to fix that problem. And the only way to fix that problem is to have a written down or a solid game plan, and you wait until the market deals within that your game plan. There's no other option for you to do. There's like nothing to fix, nothing to repair, or or maybe someone else doing great, or whatever that might be. And this is what the problem is. 95% who are listening to this or trading, they don't stand making it. Like, if you're a client of me, let's just be honest. Did you force any trade last week? Okay, because I lost 8 pips. How many pips did you lose? In worst case, you might be even making money by doing mistakes. That's even worse, because at some point you will just blow everything out and up, and it's game over. So, and this is the thing, because I don't see the results behind the scenes. Like, what are people doing? We have like several hundred members, and I will highly doubt it that people are just sticking to the PMA trades. Just like they just try to force something, and people are chatting together in like some private groups and everything, and always like try to prove the market wrong. and that's when you wipe your account, and basically it will be game over for you. So how would this week go? I have no idea. Could be another, useless week where nothing is happening. I don't care. I don't mind. It's like a bit frustrating as a lead coach to try to explain this for a struggling trader, but at some point people need to do their own mistakes. Like you need to blow your account, you need to jump system, you need to change services, you need to do all these mistakes to realize maybe 5 years from now that it's time to wake up. Hopefully by that time you're not broke, ending up on street, and this is what we do. We survive to trade another day, which most people don't. So yeah, this is a tough game, and this is not for everyone. Everyone not make it, and people are forcing trades, people are revenge trading, people are jumping system, people are blowing their account. This is just the reality, and it's a hard way to saying that we need those retail clients that is very reckless with their accounts, so we can finance our lifestyle. And it's very hard to say this. It's why do you think who will make those money, like those 5%? Those 5% is making money from those 95% who is not having a game plan. So basically what's happening on regular basis is money being transferred from a stage 1 trader into a stage 4 trader's bank account. That's all that's happening. True, brutal reality, and this is a zero-sum game, and someone needs to lose their money in order for us to make it. So yeah, that's it. Let's see how things goes. Hopefully we get a better week this week, and I will let you know in this vlogging. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great day. Cheers.